Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this braided wig from Braid Queens. Yes, it's a wig. It is not real braids, you guys. The hair is so cute. Okay, so first things first, it comes in this cute little bag, and then inside the bag it comes with this wig cap and like this braid string that you guys can use for the braids. And this is the hair straight out of the box. The hair is 20 inches. And I wanted to show you guys that the hair does come with pre-made baby hairs in the front. And I also wanted to show you guys the construction on the inside. It comes with 2 combs in the middle and then this little strap thing so it can be tight. And then at the bottom it also comes with a comb just for extra security. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on. It fit pretty nice when I first put it on, and when I put it on, the wig wasn't heavy or anything like that. The wig was very lightweight. So now I'm just going to go ahead and adjust it and make sure that the ear tabs measured up with my ears and make sure that everything is straight. Now here I'm just starting to twist the baby hairs away from the lace where I'm going to cut. Personally, for me, I like to cut my lace before I glue it down, so I'm just going to go ahead and twist that side and make sure that it's out of the way. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do it for the same other side just to make sure that everything is out of the way, because I do not want to cut any of my baby hairs off when I do start to cut. So now that I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and start to cut the lace off. And now that I'm done cutting the baby hairs off, I decided to take the wig off and go ahead and put some makeup on the hairline. I just wanted it to blend a little bit better because I didn't like the contrast between the wig cap being so light and then my hairline being so dark. So I just wanted to make sure that everything blended. So now I'm putting the wig back on and adjusting everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the glue on. I'm done gluing my wig down, I'm just going to take these next few clips and show you guys how I do my edges. Now that I am done, you guys, this wig looks so unreal. I've never had a braided wig that looked this realistic before. Like, this is literally perfect. Like, sitting in a chair for how many hours just to get my braids done, and I could just put a wig on. Like, I love it. So these next few clips, I'm just going to be showing you guys some different hairstyles that you can do with this wig. that is it, you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching.